Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make a simple paper gun. First thing you're gonna need is one paper. You're gonna fold. You're gonna fold the paper. You're gonna fold it a couple of times, like one, two, like this, and then you're gonna put it like this. I'm coming back right now. I'm getting another paper. Coming back right now. I'm back with another paper, as you can see, and then you're gonna repeat the same process with the first paper. So you're gonna fold it like bang, 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 and bang, like this, and then you're gonna fold it like this, and then you're gonna take your other paper. Gonna put this over here. Sorry. You're gonna put this one right over here like this. So like this. And then you're gonna pull, and then yeah, you're gonna push this part. You're gonna put it like that. And then you're gonna push it in here like this. Like this. Okay. Okay. Like that, and for the other one, you're gonna push it back in.